Hey there, this is Jess, and I wanted to take a quick moment to review your product, your new product with you, just to make sure you remember how to use it and everything's going great for you. So, with our Microdermabrasion set, it is so amazing. I hope you are loving it. I hope you're using it. But what you want to do is pick twice a week that you can kind of regularly do it. So a lot of people I know like to do weekends and Wednesdays, and they'll just do all their exfoliation stuff for their face, their body, their lips, whatever. It might not work for you that way. You may have different days that you're just like, maybe always you're home in the morning or whatever, but you want to do it twice a week. That's going to give you the maximum benefits. And then, so morning or night, it doesn't matter. But what you do is first off, get your face clean. So go ahead and wash your face however you wash it. Then take step one, the refine step. You're gonna just squirt about a pea-sized amount in your fingertips and you're gonna just gently rub all over your face. Take about 15 seconds per section so you get a really good full exfoliation. It's removing a full layer of dead skin cells. Hallelujah. And then you're gonna rinse it. I will say that if you can do this when you're in the shower, that's ideal because the rinsing process is so easy. You don't have to, but that's typically where I do it. So I'll keep that refined step in the shower for right after I wash my face in that way. So you rinse it off and then you just do a quick pump of the pore minimizer into your hand, apply it to your face. You're good to go. It is shrinking down pore size, it is smoothing out the texture of your skin, and it's nourishing and returning good botanical things, chamomile, aloe, all that kind of stuff to calm and soothe your skin after that scrub. And that's really what makes this set so powerful. You've got spa grade crystals that are like the highest quality, perfectly round. They do not chip and tear at your skin. Then you have this powerful serum that comes in afterward and seals the whole deal, and it is amazing. So enjoy your set. If you have questions, concerns, anything at all, please let me know. I'm here for you, and I'll be talking to you soon.